First, click the search button on your PC, as shown for clarity and ease of understanding, making the process more straightforward for beginners. After clicking, type Store in the search bar, located typically at the bottom left of the screen, which should be very easy to find. You will see the Microsoft Store appear in the search results, usually as the top result given its prominence and relevance. Click on the Microsoft Store icon, represented by a shopping bag symbol with the Windows logo, a familiar and recognizable visual cue. Once the store fully opens and completely loads all its graphical elements, search for Simurelay in the provided search bar within the store application found at the top right, ensuring optimal user experience. After searching, you will see the Simurelay app appear in the displayed results, hopefully near the top of the list. For quick and easy access, click on the Simurelay app icon to proceed to its dedicated page, providing you with more details and options about the application. After clicking, you will be prompted to install the application on your computer. I've already installed it, so it says open on my screen instead of install. After installing the application, the button will change, prompting you to open the newly installed application immediately. I'm opening it now by clicking the open button and maximizing the display to full screen for better visibility and usability. As you can see, the software is now fully open, functional, and ready to use for various tasks and purposes that it supports. Some basic features are available for free, allowing you to try out the core functionality, while other advanced features require full access and a premium subscription purchase for unrestricted usage. To unlock the full version of the software application and gain access to these advanced features, which are incredibly useful and beneficial for many users, enhancing your capabilities and potentially leading to increased productivity, consider the purchase, which will further improve your workflow. Consider also exploring additional resources and support offered by the developers, such as online tutorials and user forums, to further enhance your understanding of this application and improve your overall experience. Before using Simurelay, be sure to check the system requirements and hardware specifications. Additionally, make sure that your operating system meets the minimum compatibility criteria needed for smooth operation. It is also advisable to consult the official documentation for more assistance.